Nature of bond-linking monomers in a polymer. Peptide bond. This bond is formed when the carboxyl group of one amino acid reacts with the amino group of the next amino acid with the removal of water molecule. It links the amino acids in a polypeptide chain. Glycosidic bond. This bond links two carbon atoms of adjacent monosaccharides to form polysaccharides. It also involves dehydration. Phosphodiester bond. This bond links two nucleotides to form nucleic acid. It is formed between the phosphate and hydroxyl groups of sugar.